channel. Today I'm going to give you a heads up on a thing that is very dear to my heart. Is motorhome or campervan, even caravan security. It's a company called CAMPERPROTECT. I have done a video before, which I will put a link up in the description to that video, so I'll put a link up about there. By where I fitted security chains on the inside of the motorhome, and at night with these chains on, it helps prevent anyone opening the door and getting in. Because it only opens, I would say, 2.5 inches, which means you can't get your hand in down the side of the door. So yeah, we've had these on for about a year. They're great. So I've also added what they call a PrickStop. Now the Fiat Ducato, the Citroen Relay and the Peugeot Boxer motorhomes, and probably campervans as well, are susceptible to a very easy steal. Now, where you've got a barrel lock in a door, you need one of these PrickStops. Basically what it does is it covers the unlock mechanism behind the barrel inside the vehicle. Basically what they do, a sharp object or screwdriver is fed up from underneath the barrel between the door skin and the handle, pushed in. If done properly, it's very hard to see, and they unlatch the vehicle with the screwdriver, as it's like opening and closing with a key. It disarms everything. Now the newer motorhomes, they don't have multiple locks on the doors. We're talking about the actual vehicle doors, not anything that's like on a coach built motorhome. That is a separate item, because if you're not aware that if somebody gets in through that door, it's electronic, and the vehicle will relock itself within sort of 30 seconds. But this is just to give you peace of mind. One, when you're away from the motorhome, we had some friends who they suspect that somebody targeted them at a show and put a tracker on, and basically they just use this system with the screwdriver to get straight in and steal their motorhome. That took about 30 seconds, and once they're in, they're there, they can get access to the ODB port and override the SK see security, and it's gone. So it's definitely, this isn't, it's not 100%, but it'll definitely slow them down. It may make them to make some noise, which they don't like to do in case they're disturbed. So see what, and I'm showing you on the Series 8 how to take the door card off. The earlier 7, 6 and 5 series, you have to take all the speaker and everything out of the door and such card to get access. On the Series 8 and I think on the Series 9 as of 2025 models is the same door card, and the speakers are actually mounted in the door frame as against in the door card. So it takes about 5 minutes to get the door card off, and any peripheral screens that you've got on the side windows. I'll show you how to do attach them as well. Yeah, so have a look at the video. All of the items will be in the description below for all vehicles, Fiat, Citroen and Peugeot. There are also ones for transporters, crafters, sprinters, transits. So have a look in the description, go on the website. It does translate into English through Microsoft Edge, and see what you think. Today is the 19th of February, and I believe at the moment they've got a Black Friday sale on with about 25% off. So if you have got 2 barrel locks on the front of your Citroen, Peugeot, Fiat, Motorhome or Campervan, if you have got a barrel on the passenger side, you will need 2 of these PrickStops. But yeah, see what you think. Okay, catch you in a bit. Now, a while back I bought a PrickStop for this motorhome. Now I fitted it. What a pain actually fitting it to the lock, but good thing is the only thing that you have to disconnect is the switch. For the windows, central locking and adjustable mirrors. So, where are the bolts? Now the good side of this is on a Series 8 Fiat you don't have to remove the door speaker, which you had to in the Series 7 and 6, which is there. That is just a grille and the speaker is actually in the door frame. So you remove this cover there, there is a bolt there. You lift up the little rubber cover there, and there is a bolt T45 Torx there. You remove this cover here, and there are 2 bolts there. There are some clips, and the rest there is behind there, and a little eye to pull it out. That's a cover, and there is another T40 behind there, and then you've got one there, one there, one there, and one there, which is also part of the other locking system that I've got. So yeah, that's all you have to do, and then you have to remove this to put the PrickStop in for a 12mm nut. But other than that, depending what motorhome you got, you might have to take this outer cover off but leave the actual screen. So you've got a screw behind there, one there, one there, and one there, and that frame rocks forward, clearing this bit there, rocks forward, and then gives you easy access to pull the cover off. Now, I've seen a lot of people slitting the membrane behind the door card. I didn't. I just eased off the adhesive from the body and then reused it again, so I haven't had to cut anything whatsoever, so I don't have to seal it all up. But you can just unstick an area, say there. Now my suggestion is that you have a magnetic 10mm socket, because I did drop the nuts a couple of times. But other than that, great security, stops people from going in under there with a screwdriver and just flicking the central locking, and then it won't say anything to anyone. So yeah, and as this has only got one key for access on the doors, you need to use the one pick lock. There will be a link in the description for the pick lock itself, and I've also these are the door chains which are there, and that basically, if they do get in the door, they ain't going any further. A lot of people strap these things together. There is a problem with that here. There is nothing, no handle as such, so in the Series 8 it's a good idea. Catch you later.